Hi all, bit of a kit build today. I've got all these kits that I've been collecting for a long time. I don't really remember where I ordered. I must have been collecting them at one stage for some reason, but just out of interest I guess. And I'm going to do this little fella, since it's fairly simple. So let's try that one. Okay, let's open him up and have a look. There's very few actual components on this one, from what I can see. There's the board, and it looks like it's a heart. I think it's like a pulsating heart made of red LEDs, I think. I vaguely recall ordering it, but so as you can see, it hasn't got too many components on it. Apart from the LEDs, we've got six resistors, 3 transistors, 3 capacitors, and that's it. So I think it's going to be fairly straightforward. So looking at the board, you can see it's all nicely marked out. So let's start with these 10K guys. I do have one of those jiggers for folding resistor leads, but I don't know where it is, and I don't really know how useful it is anyway, because you can just do that. It's one 10K. Number 2 10K goes on, it's in there I think. Oops. I haven't got the best lighting arrangement in here at the moment, but it'll do for now. Okay, just there. Okay. Right now. I've done this. I've done soldering on this camera setup, so I've got no idea what it's going to. Looks alright, doesn't it? I think. It's hard to see with the light at that angle. Try that. A bit better. Alright. So with those in place, I shall proceed with the other resistors, I guess. So okay, we've got R2 there. Unlucky last. Okay. There's a light around here, better. That's like it. That's better. Okay. So we've got the light in the light close enough without creating a glare. Okay. What should be doing? I'm not using my board holder today because it's a little nuisance sometimes. It works okay, but yeah, it tends to get in the way of, especially when I'm doing filming like this. You just oh, it's okay. Right, well, there's all the resistors. Caps next, I guess. We've got these little fellas, 47 microfarad, 50 volts. And that's the usual, the longer lead is the positive lead. The shorter lead, which is also indicated by this negative symbol, is obviously the negative side. So he'll go in there like that. So just out of the way. Oops, there we go. Detail number 2. The positive symbol's been scrubbed off. I'll make an assumption that that's that way around. It's the same as number 1 there. So he goes in the same way around, but this one's rotated 90 degrees. Not sure why, but these guys are neatly on board there. Oops. Okay. Wants to sit like that, doesn't it? Okay. Okay. I noticed when other people make kit build videos, people are chatting away while they're doing it. I find that very difficult to do because then I stop doing what I'm doing so I can talk. Must be the way my brain works, or doesn't work. There. Right, next we have LEDs, I guess. So, LEDs, I think we all know this by now. Where is it? Can you see that? Flat spot on that side, corresponding to the shorter lead, which is negative. Didn't think that's how they were. I'll do a few at a time actually. And I'll do this way. I'll put them in staggered. On one side first. Doesn't help the half of the back. Okay, and all LEDs have been now been installed. So all that's left is three transistors, S9013. Okay, lucky last. Okay. So these guys on. What's left after that is the connector. I'm not using the skills I've picked up over the years. As I say, I haven't made a video for so long. I'm trying to concentrate on getting the video right as well and forgetting all my tips and tricks like soldering one lead at a time on each component. Putting flux on the board, which I didn't do. I'm going to do those, but this time I forgot. Okay. I think they look okay. Right. I've got one of these little typical screw connectors, which should just go in there like that, I think. And Big Clive somehow manages to solder the entire circuit boards and things with no sort of holder or anything. Just holds them in his hand, which I used to do when I was a kid, when I first started soldering, and I just ended up with nothing soldered and burnt fingers. Okay. Big Clive actually showed one time he had this circuit board holder, which doesn't appear to be available anymore. It was quite a good one. It was flat, a bit like this guy, but it had like sponge rubber or something under here. And you place the circuit board on there, and it pressed down into the sponge rubber, and all the components were held in place. Seemed like quite a good little thing, but it seems you can't get them anymore. And that's what it looks like. So there we go. And well, that's it really. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.